All right, now on initial orange belt challenge, the new factor we want to consider is the note A. Okay, the note A. On this one on the recorder, we're going to cover, in addition to the back hole, the top hole, we're also going to cover the second hole, okay? So we cover the top two holes, plus we cover the back hole. Okay. Let's listen to what this sounds like, what we hope to make it sound like when we play. Okay, and now let's practice singing the letter A. A, 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 A. Okay, I did make a mistake there. Can anybody tell where that was? All right, this time I'll figure it out correctly. Let's sing it again. No mistakes on singing. A, 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 A. Okay, and now we go to playing it. Make sure to cover the holes all the way. Cover the holes up all the way. Let's do that 2 more times. Okay, and the last time, let's repeat that.